Difference between since and for. Since and for are both used to talk about time, but they are not interchangeable. Each is used in different ways to describe the duration or starting point of an action. Since is used to indicate the starting point of an action or event that continues up to the present. It answers the question from when, and is always followed by a specific point in time such as a date, day, or moment. For example, she has lived in US since 2015. For is used to express the duration or the length of time an action has been happening. It answers the question how long, and is followed by a period of time such as hours, days, months, or years. For instance, she has lived in US for 8 years. These words are often used with the present perfect tense because they describe actions that started in the past and continue into the present. Misusing them can lead to grammatical errors, so it's important to use since with a point in time and for with a time duration. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video.